starting. I'm going to show you how to disconnect a sump pump that no longer works from my very first time. First important step is to make sure you, not that close to me, unplug it from the electricity, or you can get electrocuted. Okay, and then you want to untie this thing.
How do you untie it?
You just undo the knot. And then you
get disgusted by it and you figure out how to do the rest?
Yeah, but I watched a video. Okay, so you have to unhook it from this thingy. And
what are you trying to do?
I need to either take it from here or here, I don't know. So, I mean, you figure out the easiest way to do it, and it's probably right here on this one.
Oh.
So, you figure out which direction the wrench goes.
Let's just call Dad. Ask him how to do it.
Because he told me to do this with this. Okay, so then you do this. And then lefty loosey, righty tighty. So you gotta make sure it's on tight. And then if it slips, you just keep trying. Make sure it's on good and tight, and then keep trying. If it doesn't work that way, you figure out a different way to do it. This one, oh, looks like I might need to unscrew this screw here first, so that might make it a little easier. If your hand gets dirty, that's okay. You can wash your hands. Be brave.
I don't know. I shut the video off. You have to restart it. I'm just kidding. I wanted to see you restart.
Okay, so then you get that screw loose. Unscrew it off this clamp thingy.
It's not a clam.
Clamp.
Clam. That's what you said.
Nope, I said clamp.
You said clamp. And you said clam.
No, you get to hear when we're done that it's clamp.
Clam.
All right, then
Clam.
you just, oh, see there. Then I can just pull that off. And then I don't want it to be laying in the water by itself, so I'll just set it there. So then I just need to see this. It's all disconnected. Then I need to take the cords from up here. And careful so they don't go in the water.
I know you said clam.
And then
you said clam.
Then we take this whole thing, and that's how you disconnect an old sump pump. The end.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay.
Mom.
What?